Okay, so you want to make sure everything snaps back in place. Push down gently. So this should snap in like that. These two prongs snapped on top. This part snaps in. It's flush. And then that part should snap in up top. So everything should be snapped in nicely. Yep, everything's snapped in. So now you want to reconnect. Now we want to reconnect our power cord back to the socket that it came out of. Here's the socket right here. So you want to get it. And I know that my yellow is down, my yellow cord's down. So I'm going to slide that in till it snaps. Did you hear that? I'm not scratching my car, it's just touching that. And then you want to, there's a hole here. There's a hole back here, just the camera. There's a hole right here. So you want to make sure this prong goes in that hole. And then you also want to make sure your bolts line up and go back through that slot. And everything should slide. Everything should slide back in. Yep. Everything's flush. Everything's back in. Get your bolts. Remember your two bolts that you took off earlier? You want to screw those back on. I'm just going to place them, and then I'm going to get my bolt screwer, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to put it back on top, and I want to screw this all back in clockwise this time to tighten it up. I'm going to do the same for the bottom. There. Yep. You don't want to over screw it because you don't want to strip the bolts in case you need to take it off again. So now there's one more piece. Now this encasement cannot come out. Oh, I do recommend if you take this off and then you go to the dealership to get your bulb, screw it back in.